If you're suffering from headaches, cough, congested sinus, this is a very inexpensive way to decongest yourself and feel much better. I'm coronavirus positive, and as you can hear me, I've been doing this every day, and it's been very effective. And it's effective also for the flu. So for anybody that's suffering right now, you might want to try this. All you have to do is boil some water. I put lemon. It could just be the water in itself for the steam, but I like putting a lemon in there. And just wait till it boils, and then I'll show you what to do next. So once it's boiling, as right now, you want to move the pan out of the flame, turn it off, move it to a safe area. Be careful, okay? I'm not responsible if you burn yourself. I mean, put it in a safe area where you could use it. And then the next thing you have to do, it's very simple, is you get a towel, just a regular towel, and you put it over your head, and basically just put it over the pot. Set a timer for 5 minutes and just let the steam come to your face. If you feel it's too much, go a little bit higher or take a breather. But basically, that's all you have to do.